I want to ask you a simple question. Imagine your sales team receives an urgent order for a 3mm CR coil. They check the ERP. ERP says, yes, we have stock. The warehouse starts looking for it. Production says, that mother coil was already slit yesterday. Now everyone starts blaming the ERP. But was the ERP really wrong? Or was one production transaction never recorded? Let's take a real shop floor example. A 25MT mother coil comes into your slitting line. The operator processes it. Now that one mother coil becomes 4 child coils, around 1.2 MT of edge scrap, small process loss. Remaining balance after trimming physically, everything has happened. The material has already moved to the next process. Maybe one child coil has already gone for cut to length. Another is waiting for dispatch. But inside ERP, the mother coil is still showing as available. The 4 child coils don't exist. Scrap hasn't been booked. Yield hasn't been calculated. Inventory is already wrong. And all this because one production entry was missed. People often think this happens because operators don't want to use ERP. Honestly, that is rarely the reason. The operator is busy. He's monitoring the slitting machine, checking strip width, measuring thickness, watching burr quality, managing coil loading. The last thing on his mind is walking to a desktop computer after every production batch. So what happens? I will update it later. Later becomes evening. Evening becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes NARD. Now production, warehouse, planning, bundles, and finance are all working with different versions of the truth. This is exactly why we designed our Steel Mobile Shop Floor Accelerator. The production operator doesn't leave the machine. As soon as the slitting or CTL process is complete, he records heat number, mother coil child, coil width, thickness yield, scrap production quantity directly from a mobile device. Within seconds, inventory is updated. Planning sees the latest stock. Sales sees what is available. Warehouse knows exactly where the material is. Whenever someone tells me our ERP inventory is never accurate, I do not ask about the ERP. I ask just one question. How much time passes between the actual production and the ERP entry? Because in a steel plant, one missing production entry doesn't just create wrong inventory, it creates wrong planning, wrong dispatch, wrong purchasing, and ultimately, wrong business decisions.